friends, today we are going to do some Hello friends, today we are going to do some MCQs on economics of class 11th. And the question one is, which of the following is an assumption of IC analysis? Option A, monotonic preference of the consumer. Option B, declining marginal rate of substitution. Option C, cardinal numbers. Option D, all of these. And the correct option is option A, monotonic preference of the consumer. Question 2. Diagrammatic presentation of consumer indifference set is called A. Indifference curve. Option B. Utility curve. Option C. Budget line. Option D. Transformation curve. The correct option is option B. Indifference curve. Question 3. Given the money income and the price, the line which shows all different combination of two goods that a consumer can buy by spending all his income is called option A, production line. Option B, budget line. Option C, isocost line. Option D, none of these. Correct option is option B, budget line. Question 4. Budget line indicates A, price ratio. Option B, income ratio. Option C, cost ratio. Option D, none of this. Correct option is option A, price ratio. Question 5. Attainable combination of x and y are drawn on the assumption that p of x and p of y are option A, constant. Option B, variable. Option C, change in the same ratio. Option D, equal to each other. Correct option is option A, constant. Question 6. According to IC analysis, a consumer attains equilibrium when option A, MRS of xy is equal to pxy by p of y. Option B, MRS of xy is greater than p of x by p of y. Option C, MRS of xy is smaller than p of x by p of y. Option D, none of this. The correct option is option A, MRS of xy is equal to p of x by p of y. Question 7. An indifference curve is related to option A, consumer's income. Option B, price of good X and Y. Option C, total utility from good X and Y. Option D, choice and preference of the consumer. Correct option is option D, choice and preference of the consumer. Question 8. Given the fact that MRS between good X and Y is diminishing, IC is option A, convex to the origin. Option B, concave to the origin. Option C, straight line. Option D, none of these. The correct option is option A, convex to the origin. Question 9. Marginal rate of substitution indicates option A, slope of production possibility curve. Option B, slope of indifference curve. Option C, slope of budget line. Option D, slope of income line. And the correct option is option B, slope of indifference curve. Question 10. When price of the good Y shown on y-axis rises, option A, price line shifts to the right. Option B, price line shifts to the left. Option C, price line rotates to the right. Option D, price line rotates to the left. The correct option is option D, price line rotates to the left. Question 11. As we move along the indifference curve left to right, the slope of IC tends to option A, unity. Option B, rise. Option C, 0. Option D, decline. And the correct option is option D, decline. Question number 12. A shift in the budget line when prices are constant is due to option A, change in demand. Option B, change in income. Option C, change in preference. Option D, change in utility. Correct option is option B, change in income. Question 13. The slope of indifference curve is measured by option A, marginal rate of transformation, option B, marginal rate of substitution, option C, marginal rate of technical substitution, option D, none of these. The correct option is option B, marginal rate of substitution. Question 14. Slope of budget line is indicated by option A, P of x by P of y, option B, P of y by P of x, option C, P of x is equal to P of y, option D, all of these. And the correct option is option B, option A, P of x by P of y. Question 15. A set of ICs drawn in a graph is called in option A, indifference curve, option B, indifference map, option C, budget line, option D, budget set. The correct option is option B, indifference map. Question 16. In an indifference map, higher IC indicates option A, lower level of satisfaction, option B, same level of satisfaction, option C, higher level of satisfaction, option D, either same or higher level of satisfaction. The correct option is option C, higher level of satisfaction. Question 17. In a situation when MRS of xy is greater than P of x by P of y, the consumer would react by option A, diminishing the consumption of commodity X, option B, increasing the consumption of commodity Y, option C, increasing the consumption of commodity Y, option D, none of this. And correct option is option B, increasing the consumption of commodity Y. Question 18. IC analysis of consumers equilibrium is based on the concept of dash measurement of utility, and the answer is ordinal. Question 19. An indifference curve is dash to the point of origin, and the answer is convex. Question 20. An indifference map is a graph that represents dash indifferent curve or curves. Answer, more than one.